Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this replacement bundle for cables and pieces for an old school gaming console. Now, first off, you have your power adapter right here. This side can just go ahead and plug right into the wall, and then this is the connection point that will go into the back of the console. I like the nice, good amount of length to both of those cables there. This console also had a sensor bar, and this replacement comes with a sensor bar as well as the stand right here, and then you also have this connection point which will go right into the back of the console. Now, what this old school console actually had was this connection into a TV with that yellow, red, and white, kind of that old school connection, which most TVs don't support that these days. So they've actually thought of that, and they have this converter here which plugs into the back side of the console there, but then offers an HDMI output right here. So this is an HDMI port on the right, and you have your 3.5mm jack on the left. They also include an HDMI cable here. I think it's roughly about 3 feet in length, and it is an HDMI to HDMI. Now, it's really cool to be able to play this old school console on a modern day TV that has an HDMI port. I love that fact, and for that reason, I would highly recommend this bundle. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.